guys, good afternoon and happy Tuesday to everyone. And I hope you are all doing fine, safe and healthy. And I want to share with you my recipe today, and this is actually, I have it here. This is a cuttle fish, yes, and this is actually the same group of squid, but this is in the big version. And aside from this, we will be needing this is around 1.5 kg, and this one we need oyster sauce, and we need soy sauce as well, and we need the onion I've cut into thin slice, 5 cloves of garlic, and some bay leaves, cinnamon stick, and star anise. I have a cardamom, I have cloves and black pepper, and 1 inch of ginger, and of course we need an oil. I'm using olive oil, so any oil will do, whatever you have at home. So now please join with me and let's keep on watching. So our pan is heated up. Now we can put our olive oil. I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of it. And now we can add our spices. And bay leaves, cardamom, black whole pepper, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon stick, and star anise. Just saute for a while. And this is perfect. Now we can add our onion. So this is done. Now we have to put our garlic and our ginger, and just saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now this is the time that we can put our cuttlefish. Actually, this is my first time I'm cooking this one, because normally I cook the squid one, not the cuttlefish. So now in this, we have to add our oyster sauce. I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and soy sauce. So we have to put about half teaspoon of salt. We didn't put too much salt because we already put oyster sauce and soy sauce, so those have a content of sugar, salt. So we just simmer this until our cuttlefish gets cooked. So what we'll do, so we just have to cover it, and then they just have to sprinkle just a dash of sugar, just a dash of sugar. It will really give additional taste. Just give a good mix. And then just cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. It has been cooking now for 10 minutes. So let's have a look. So as you can see, very nice looking. I love the color. So this is done. We don't have to overcook our cuttlefish. So this is done. Ta-da! So they just have a taste if the salt is okay. We do need to add more salt. Very nice. So it's very nice, guys. I like it, and the oyster sauce is really goes very well on our cuttlefish. So that's all for today, guys. So this is the recipe that I was able to share with you. This is also very quick and easy to make, and of course it is delicious. So it's very nice to pair with the rice. Okay, as we Filipino, we normally eat rice. So that's all for today. I hope you have a good one. Bye. I'll see you to my next one.
Bye. And